Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Generation 2 Mini Split. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot E6 error code. Let's get started. If your unit is displaying an E6 error code on the ODU display, the voltage signal that PFC sends to the main control board may be abnormal and the AC unit will turn off. To troubleshoot this error code, you will need your multimeter with needle point test leads. To begin, check whether the connecting line between the main board and the PFC module is connected tightly. If they aren't, then connect it tightly and check if connection is normal. If connection is now normal, then the problem is solved. If they are connected tightly but connection isn't normal, check whether the voltage range of PN on IPM module is normal. The voltage range on the 18K and 27K models should be 277 to 356 volts DC, and the voltage range on the 36K model should be 277 to 410 volts DC. Test these two ports, PFCL2 and PFCL, marked with blue wires and white plugs. If they are normal, then replace the outdoor main board. If the voltage isn't in range, then check whether the inductance of the PFC module is good by testing NIN2 and LIN2, marked by black and red wires and white plugs. If the inductance is good, the resistance of the two ports should be 0. If it isn't 0, then replace the inductance. If it is 0, replace the PFC module. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.